Alright, this is the game that I designed for 6.898 Linked Data Ventures with a team that included Mads and Yod. Yod was a Course 6 undergraduate, Mads was a Sloan Fellow, and basically what we wanted to do was to create an educational game using the Semantic Web and linked data resources, which we did. The game's pretty simple. It basically tests kids on geography, and there's two components to it. The first one is just you can explore a different country. And let me just go home. Let me just go, yeah, we'll use this one. So basically what it does is each one of the explore pages will show you a country. In this case it's Egypt, and it will show you kind of people, animals, things or places, and people in that country. So like if you click on the people icon, it will show you a man kissing a camel near the Sphinx in Cairo. Here's some Egyptian kids. This is a historical artifact, 18th dynasty painting. This is baboon camels. And so for each country you're going to get a variety of different things like that. So some sort of hedgehog from Italy, some Leaning Tower of Pisa or something else. United States, so we had kind of Niagara Falls, Statue of Liberty, and we have a hawksbill turtle. This looks like a beaver or badger or something like that, and North American beaver. And the kids can learn basically which animals and people and things are associated with this, and kids are curious about geography. Now there's also a game element to it too. And the way that this works is it'll test you on what you've just learned. So, for instance, where does the Hamadryas baboon live? So they're giving 3 flags there. This looks like Sweden, Egypt, and Russia. So if you tap Russia, no, that's not correct. Tap Sweden, no, that's not right. But Egypt, yes, that's correct, and you get a score. This is a Japanese macaque monkey live. Well, obviously that's going to be in Japan. Keep on going. Alright, so which location is located in Japan? And you have 3 different buildings there. Sydney Opera House, no, that's not it. Of course it's Mount Fuji. And can keep on going through. And my daughter actually played this game, and she liked the challenge part of it. Obviously it needs some work. I personally prefer to be using maps instead of flags, but one of the restrictions that we operated with is that this is supposed to be a semantic web game, and the images that we're using, you can see them a lot better when you go to the explore part. All of these images, these are from linked data resources, semantic web. So that means they're kind of freely available with some light restrictions on how you credit them. But the great thing about this is we can make a database based on this huge resource of textual and image data that's available via the semantic web, and then use it for this game. And other people in our class did all kinds of other projects. One team did a kind of like a restaurant service, a restaurant finder service. Lots of people were dealing with supply chain problems with their projects, but we thought that our project was pretty cool too, and it gave us a chance to work with mobile technology. It gave us a chance to work with very interesting technology that was developed by people at MIT and elsewhere, including Sir Tim Berners-Lee, who was one of the class instructors. And it just was a good chance to work with something new and work with some pretty interesting technology. So we had a great time.